Hello, kids. Let's draw together. Today, we will draw a cute little girl. Ready? Go. First, draw a half circle. Nice and slow. Good job. Now add 2 small ears. 1, 2. Perfect. Let's draw the eyes. 2 little circles. So cute. Now draw a small smile. Happy face. Now the hair. Easy lines. She has 2 ponytails. Beautiful. Now draw the dress. Big at the bottom. Small at the top. Look how easy. Now draw the arms. Simple lines are perfect. And the hands, like this. Wow. Now draw the legs. Short and simple. Great job. Now, let's draw the bag. Take your time. Slow lines are perfect. You are doing very well. Now, color time. Color the skin. Soft and gentle. Pink cheeks. Brown hair. Now a yellow dress. So bright. Pink bag, pink shoes. Our drawing is finished. Beautiful drawing. You did amazing. You did this all by yourself. I love drawing with you. Let's draw again another day. Bye-bye.